then you're gonna sit there and put that front notch right there to the tip right here.
So it's straight or down?
Huh?
Straight or down?
No, here. This part, yeah. So this part needs to be at this bottom part. Okay. So here, go ahead and move your hand, and like you gotta really get low on this part with your face. No, here, put your. Oh, okay, because of this. Now, go ahead. Can you see it?
No. Okay, okay. It's okay.
Yeah, that's fine like that. As long as you can see it. Can you see it? Is it leveled?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. That's exactly how you're going to aim it, alright? Alright, now let me load it up for you. You're going to want to be higher than that. It's going to be about...
Okay.
Yep. Alright, here. I need to load it up.
Already?
No, I got to load it.
Okay.
Yeah, I was letting you get comfortable first. Make sure you get a good aim before you pull the trigger. That's good. Aim a little higher. You want it to be leveled. Alright, that should be good. Go for it. Go ahead. There you go. Hold it down. Waste the whole belt.